you, Processor Enjoyment Minister.
Hey, fine girl, how you doing?
I'm fine.
How your
fine.
side?
Very well, sir.
This one will meet me today. Now, wow, I hope say there's a plenty question, have you?
Minister, listen, only one will get question now they come for you now. Our processor now.
No problem. But now all the time question. But when I no go even buy pure water for professor, even for one day. But that one no mean anything.
Processor now, what are no be problem? I'll buy you one bag. That no be problem, eh?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, make I just ask you the little question.
Go ahead.
Okay, Processor, how can you describe this? As in, this is what I'm talking about. How can you refer it to a human or animal? As in, this is what I'm talking about. How can you refer it to a human or animal?
It's very, very simple.
Okay.
This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Now, to human, at first, human. He is the one that I'm talking about for a man.
Okay.
Now, if you want to refer it to woman, you understand me? Her is the one that I'm talking about. Her is woman.
Okay.
You understand? He is man. He's the one that I'm talking about. Her is the one that I'm talking about.
Okay.
Then for an animal,
Yes.
for example, goat. Man goat is he.
Okay.
You understand? Woman goat is her. Her goat. He cat. Her cat. He donkey. Her donkey.
Oh, yes.
Hey!
He rat. Her rat.
Processor!
Who the boy? I don't know. You ask me?
Jesus! He sheep. Her sheep.
Hey! Processor!
Any other question?
I really wish I could help.